Hi, I'm Alex, and this 2,500 plus daily icon sticker set is neatly organized by category, so you can plan, track, and organize your thoughts in any digital planner for pretty much any situation. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you enjoy using these stickers. After your purchase, you'll see a PDF ready to download. The first download button is the GoodNotes sticker book. It's a page-by-page file with clickable tabs. The second link downloads all the other files, so you can use the stickers in any app, not just GoodNotes. These links open from Google Drive, so when you click the yellow download button, it may automatically open in the Google Drive app if you have it installed. For a more predictable download, press and hold on the button for a moment and choose Open from the menu. That will open the link in your browser. Inside the GoodNotes folder, you'll also find quick notes for common issues and how to import the file. Just open GoodNotes, create a new note, tap Import, find the file in Downloads, it will look like a zip archive, and simply open it. Here's what the GoodNotes file looks like. To download it, tap the three dots menu. Then tap Download Anyway, and tap Download again. Once the download is finished, open the file, tap this button, then choose Open in GoodNotes, and your sticker book will open. Now the GoodNotes sticker book is open. To use the clickable page buttons, just select the pen tool. Next, choose the lasso tool, and you can select multiple stickers at once. You can cut or copy them, then paste them into your note, meaning into a new file. These stickers are really high quality because they're vector. You can also use the individual stickers as PNG files or as vector PDF. And there are also pre-made organized sticker pages you can use for any purpose. They're included in multiple formats: JPEG, PDF, and PNG, just so you have options. To download the individual stickers, you can download as a full folder, either the PNG stickers folder or the PDF stickers folder. You'll need to wait a moment while Google Drive converts the folder into a zip file, and then the download will start. The sticker zip file is about 26 megabytes. After it downloads, it will go to your Downloads folder. You'll need to extract the files from the zip. You can tap Uncompress, or just tap the zip once, and it will create the same sticker folder. Inside that folder, you'll find the stickers sorted by theme. You can arrange your windows like this, and simply drag and drop stickers one by one straight into your note. Use whatever method feels easiest for you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to help anytime. Thanks again for your purchase. Have a great day, and enjoy your stickers.